Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, top of the day. Today, we're looking at the bell peppers. If you can see it right here. And another one, so they must get a little bigger and then they turn red. Now this should droop down. Gave it water, but it's not doing its due. I just seen a bee. I thought they were gone by now, but this is what I want to talk about. This is a transplant. This is a marigold that I took out of the ground and replanted it. You remember my previous videos where I had celery and other items in this white container. So when I put this marigold in there, it just blossomed. Now, these petals, my understanding, with them bright like this, are edible. They got a taste that you would have to get used to, but they're edible. So, if you see marigolds out in the wilderness and you're hungry, grab you some marigold leaves. Only the ones that are perky, like these. I'm going to plant an awful lot of marigolds pretty soon, or be able to get them almost every year, because they're annuals where they grow one year, they die off, but they give an awful lot of seeds. And I've been collecting a lot of seeds. So, of course, if you need some marigold seeds, I have plenty. And I will have me big, giant orchards. I plan to have orchards. Big quantity of marigolds. They're good for mosquitoes. They're good. They resist a lot of insects. Virtually no insects eat at the leaves or the petals. And I just may add them to soup, so I get the health benefits all around. From the seedlings to the petals to good eating. Interesting observation. These were, as you can see, they were marigolds. They're gone. I can even pull it up by the roots. They're gone, they're dead. This is marigold that grew, but it's dead. Won't grow no more. If there were green leaves on it, then it would grow some more, but it is gone. But these marigolds are alive. Isn't it amazing? These are alive, and that one, which was actually growing in the melon patch, is dead. Well, this is the garden. Gotta have some greens still growing. They're growing tough. They're alive. They've been eaten up ever since they've been planted. And the celery is still coming up. Life is good. The asparagus, which I have here, and over here, which we tied up, is doing excellent. And this is the last of the sunflower. Now this one produced seeds. This one here, as you can see, does not.